Alright, here's my new Lowe's Whirlpool refrigerator. It's working excellently, but I didn't buy a new water line for the ice and water deal on it. Just got done installing it. It's a braided one, and before I had this old plastic jobby in there, but that's gone, and the new braided one is right down there. But let me show you a couple of things I learned or modded. And it's no, diss to the dude who installed this thing, but I used HVAC tape, got rid of all this packing blue stuff, tape that came with it. So I got some super sticky. I've added some more tie straps on the water lines, cable hose relief tie straps down there. Let me see if I can get a better view of that work down there. See it? More cable straps on there. The AC power cord, get rid of that blue tape there, and that's where it goes, and cleaned up the tile floor there a little bit, cleaned all that up down there, as you can see, and that's where it plugs into the wall right there with a surge protector. This is on a solar circuit right here. The yellow, it goes to my dishwasher, so I got fridge and dishwasher on this refrigerator circuit right here, and it works just fine. So push this thing back. All right, got this fridge pushed back into position. I want to show you a couple things on this thing. Front door with the French door, but it has a dispenser on it. And kind of a useless display. All it does is show what you have it set for. Doesn't tell you what the actual temperature is in there, but I'll show you something here in a second. But one thing I don't like about this is that this is really hard. I wish this was lighted right here, the water cube and crush, so you can see at night. So if you want crushed ice, you want cubed ice, or water, and then you can't even barely see the options here. And there's not many of them. See there? But yeah, it is what it is. It works. Right? Let me set this water off to the side. It works, and I'll show you the inside here. See the temperature right there, 32.9, so it matches up to what it's set at. But you got the French door deal right here. It's a little bit smaller than the one I replaced. But it's just me here, so don't need a heck of a lot. I took one shelf out right here and set it up on the top there. Put the milk. And then down here is where you got the freezer. Right there, just like that. Plenty of space for, small family or whatever, but it looks good in here. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.